Good morning. Happy Friday. I'm just here eating my yogurt bowl. It wouldn't be a food video without me having a yogurt bowl in it. Also bear with me as I try to figure out the settings of my camera. I literally just got it and I don't know what any buttons mean. And I'm sorry about the angles today. My tripod comes tomorrow, but it looks very zoomed in, I feel like. I thought I would film a little what I eat in a couple of days. So I'm gonna do today, Saturday, and Sunday. Today's Friday. So I'm just eating my yogurt bowl and then I'm gonna go to work, and I can't film at work, but I'm gonna pack a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to eat at work. I don't know why, but last night I was like, I want a peanut butter and jelly. So I'm gonna listen to my cravings because I should. I'm also trying to work on intuitive eating. I feel like I'm not there yet, but I really want to get there. So that's a process. It's not going to come in one day. So yeah, I'm going to eat my yogurt bowl and then get dressed and go to work. The lighting is kind of terrible. I got off work like an hour ago, so I want to go get Starbucks, but I don't want to get out of my car. But the Starbucks I usually go to, like, the drive-through Starbucks doesn't have matcha usually, and I'm craving a matcha with chai. So I don't know if I should just go to the local one and suffer, or let's see. Okay, it says they have matcha, and if they don't, I'm gonna cry. Hi, do you guys have matcha right now?
Yeah.
Okay, could I do an iced grande matcha latte with 3 pumps of chai?
All right.
And can I get oat milk in that too, please?
Yeah.
And that's it.
All right, 6:45.
Thank you. I don't know if that did anything. I feel like I just changed a setting on here, but I don't know what it was. So good. So good. If you guys like don't really like matcha, I definitely recommend trying this because it tastes so much better, because it really like takes away the grass taste of matcha. I want to go home and make a snack because I have not eaten in like 4 hours and I'm hungry. I just blended up all my smoothie and I add some type of protein into every smoothie. So today I'm doing a chocolate protein powder because I ran out of vanilla. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this and then add my smoothie to a bowl. I don't think I've talked today yet. Happy Saturday. It's like 6:15. I decided to cook dinner for me and my parents tonight. I'm gonna be making a lemon garlic salmon with some orzo and like with Parmesan cheese in it, and then asparagus because I love asparagus. Happy Sunday. This morning I woke up, made some coffee. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat so that I can put in the almond croissants that I got from Trader Joe's. I haven't tried them yet, but I've heard really good things and I've been craving almond croissants. Me and my dad are gonna enjoy those. And that's about it for the morning. I just went to the grocery store, so I thought I would do a little grocery haul. So I got stuff for tonight's dinner. I'm making chicken noodle soup, and then I got just like some snacks that we needed at home and some stuff for lunch because it's like 3:30 and what time is it? It's 3:18 and I haven't eaten lunch. So I got some stuff to make lunch. I got celery and an onion. I also got some avocados because ours were gross. Also, it's raining, so if you hear that, sorry. I got some tempeh for my lunches this week. I also got these because they're so good, and I've been having such a big sweet tooth at night, so I wanted to get like some healthier options. I got 2 little boxes of chicken broth, club crackers, and go-go squeezes because they're so good and they're so easy to take to work. I got some rotisserie chicken. And I got Purely Elizabeth granola. I usually make my own granola, but I'm almost out and like I don't want to not have any in case I don't have time to make more. I got spinach to put in my lunches. I got gum and raspberries. I got a big thing of forager yogurt. I also got some apples, but they're all the way at the end of the bag, so I'm not reaching down to get that. And then I got a big loaf of bread. Okay, time to go home.
Thank you.